Hello, you beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. I am Urvi Savla, and this is my very first YouTube video. So, for this video, I have created this makeup look which you can do under 10 minutes using just 7 products and one makeup brush. You can wear this look to office while running errands, brunch with your friends. You can even change up the lip and intensify the eyes a bit and take this look from day to night. If you're interested to know how I got this look, then please continue watching. So, let's start with a clean and moisturized face. As you can see, I have spots on my face, so you can either use a full coverage foundation or a concealer. Today I'll be using the foundation from Pico Milano, which is a 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer. So I'm just applying it on the spots of my face wherever I can see them, and also some other areas like around my mouth or under my eyes, and then just blend with your own fingers. Now make sure that you blend at the same spot and don't move the foundation so much. Just keep on blending the edges. Here you can also use a makeup brush or a makeup sponge to blend the foundation in, but I find it the easiest and the fastest to blend it with my fingers. As you can see, I haven't applied foundation on my entire face. I've just applied it on the spots where I need some sort of concealing. So this does not give me any cakey look on the face. So this look can also pass off as a no makeup look. Now take your time to blend everything seamlessly. Now we'll use a brush like this, which is called a stippling brush, to blend everything even better. The key to this look is seamless and flawless blending. So keep on blending till you see no harsh lines and no patches anywhere. Next, we'll set everything with a powder. I am using a loose powder here from Makeup Revolution, but you can use a compact as well. So I'll take some of this powder onto the lid and apply it on my entire face with the same brush with which we have blended our foundation. If you have very dry skin, then this step is not necessary. But if you feel that your face might get oily through the day, then do apply some powder on top of your base to make it sweat and oil proof. So you can apply more of this powder on your problem areas. Like I have smile lines and I do get little sweaty on my upper lips. So I apply a good layer of powder over there. So now we'll use a setting spray. This one is by ELF, and just spray it all over the face evenly and let it dry. Just fan your face with your hands and let it dry. Next we'll move on to eyes. This is actually a gel liner from Flower Beauty which comes along with a brush, but I like to use it as a brow product. So I just do a little bit of filling in for my brows. I have recently shaved my brows, so they are in pretty much good shape, but whatever you feel comfortable with for your face shape, you do that. Eyebrows is a very subjective thing. Everybody likes their eyebrows a particular way. I like my brows to be a little bit angular and a little bit thick and bushy, so that's how I do my brows. You can do it your way. So next, let's move on to lipstick. This is a bullet lipstick from Stay Quirky. It's a beautiful everyday pink shade which is creamy matte in texture. I like my lipsticks to be in the bullet form rather than liquid form for everyday use. Now take the same brush, pat it on your lipstick and apply it as a blush. This is a very useful hack for college going girls or people who do not want to invest in so many different products. You can just apply the same lipstick as a blush, and there you go. Now take the same lipstick on your fingers and apply like a shadow on your eyes, just a little bit to give some definition to the eyes. Next, we'll apply kajal. This one is from Plum. It's a very dark black kajal and it's very smooth to apply. I don't need to give a tutorial on how to apply kajal because Indian girls know their kajals very very well. Now comes my favorite part, the highlighter. This one is from Essence. You can use your fingers to apply a highlighter. Just take some on your fingers like so and apply it on the high points of your cheeks and blend it well. If you're not comfortable using your fingers, you can use the same brush which we have been using throughout the tutorial and apply it on the high points of your cheeks. Just make sure to bring some of the highlighters onto your cheeks as well so that your cheeks look glowy. You can also apply some of it on the bridge of your nose just to give it a good highlight and some on the tip of your nose. Using the same brush, also apply it on the forehead, your chin, your upper lip, wherever you feel the need you need to apply a highlighter. Also take some of it on your finger and apply it on your brow bones just as I am doing. And don't forget your inner corners because that gives your eyes a fresh and opened up look. Now set the face with the same setting mist and you're good to go. As you can see, the makeup has turned out to be very glowy, very dewy and still natural looking. You can hardly see the spots on my face. That's all for today's look. Thank you so much for watching and please come back to my channel.